Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a new topic of chapter number 3, playing with number. Topic name is highest common factor, that is HCF. But before that, we will have a quick recap about factors which we have learned in previous class. Factors are the number that are multiplied to get a given number. See the example over here. You can see 1 multiplied by 12 equal to 12. 1 and 12 is the factor. 2 multiplied by 6 equal to 12. 2 and 6 is a factor. 3 multiplied by 4 equal to 12. 3 and 4 is a factor. So, the factor of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now, we are going to do highest common factor. The HCF of two or more numbers is the greatest number among their common factor. Means, whatever the common factors are there, among that all the common factor, whatever the greatest number is there, highest number is there, that is known as a HCF. HCF is also called GCD. HCF is also called GCD, that is greatest common divisor. Now, for finding the common factors, there are methods. Methods of finding HCF are common factor method, prime factor method and division method. But today, we are going to do only one method, that is common factor method. In this method, we find all the common factor of the number and then find the greatest common factor amongst them. So let us see the example. Find the HCF of 15 and 45. We have to find the HCF of 15 and 45. For that, we will first of all write the factors of 15 and 45. So let us write the factor of 15 and 45. The factor for 15 are 1, 3, 5, 15. And factor for 45 are 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, 45. All these are the factors. Now among all these factors, we will find out the common factor. Let us see the common factor between 15 and 45. The common factors are 1, 3, 5 and 15. These four factors are common. Now among all four factors, 15 is the highest factor. 15 is the greatest factor. Therefore, the HCF of 15 and 45 is 15. Now I will give you another example for HCF. Question is, find the HCF of 14 and 36. So for finding the HCF of 14 and 36, we will find out the factor of 14 and 36. So first of all, I will find out the factor of 14. Now I will write the number by multiplying. The answer should be 14. So 1 multiplied by 14 equal to 14. 2 multiplied by 7 equal to 14. Now in 3 table it is not coming. 4, no. 5, no. 6, no. 7, yes. 7 multiplied by 2 equal to 14. But already we have written 2 multiplied by 7. So there is no need of writing the 7 multiplied by 2. Again 14 ones are 14. Already I have written 1 multiplied by 14. It is same only. So factor of 14 are 1, 2, 7 and 14. Now I will find out the factor of 36. Factor of 36. 1 multiplied by 36 equal to 36. 2 multiplied by 18 equal to 36. 3 multiplied by 12 equal to 36. 4 multiplied by 9 equal to 36. In 5 table it is not. 6 multiplied by 6 equal to 36. And then it will repeat it. So I am not doing it again. So here the factor of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. These are the factors of 36. Now I will find out the common factor. Now I will find out the common factor. 1 is common. 2 is common. Then 7, but there is no 7 common is there. 14, no 14 is there. That means the common factor is 1 and 2. And among 1 and 2, the greatest factor is 2. The highest factor is 2. So our HCF of 14 and 36 is 2. Now we will find out the HCF of different sum by doing an activity. Here is an activity for highest common factor, that is HCF. Today we will find HCF through a playing way. The first example is 6 and 10. So I will put 6 and 10. Now I will take 6 bits of red color, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I will take 10 bits of yellow color, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 6 is smaller than 10, so I will remove 6 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here 4 left and here 6. Now 4 is smaller, so I will remove 4 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here 2 left and here it is 4. So 2 is smaller than 4. So I will remove 2 from here. 1, 2. Now you can see in both the sides the numbers are same. That is 2 and 2. So HCF for 6 and 10 is 2. HCF for 6 and 10 is 2. Let us take another example. Another example is 7 and 13. I will take red color bit 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And 13 I will take yellow bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now here it is 7 bits and here it is 13 bits. 7 is lesser than 13. So I will remove 7 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now here it is 6 and here it is 7. 6 is smaller than 7, so I will remove 6 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here it is 1 and here it is 6. 1 is smaller than 6, so I will remove 1. Again 1 is smaller than 5, so I will remove 1. I will repeat this action till the numbers gets equal. Again here 4, here 1. So again I will remove 1. Again here 1 and here remains 3. I will remove 1. 2, 1. I will remove 1. Now you can see both the numbers have equal number, that is 1. That means the HCF for 7 and 13, it is 1. Thank you. Today we learn how to find HCF through common factor method. In this method, first of all, we will find all the common factors. Now, among the common factors, we will find the greatest factor or highest factor. That highest factor will be our HCF. Thank you.